Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you how to check your RAM speed in Windows 10, so make sure to like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom left of your screen onto the Start tab and right click on it. It should come up with these options right here. You want to click on the command prompts, but you want to click the admin one. It will take you to a screen, you've got to press yes on it, and then it will bring up this page right here. So what you want to do is you want to type in the exact things. They'll be on the screen right at the bottom, just down here. You want to type in WMIC space memory chip space get space speed, and then you put it on that line with the C Windows System 32. You press enter, and then it will tell you the speed of your RAM in megahertz. So mine is at 3000 megahertz, running 3000 megahertz. The problem with other ways like Task Manager is for some things it just halves it. So if I go to my RAM, it's halved, which is I don't actually have 32 gigs. I have 32 gigs RAM, and it's running at 3000, and it's halved it. So it doesn't actually tell you the proper amount. So that's how you get your RAM speed. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I stream every single day, 4:15 PM UK. So thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.